Give bag necklaces. I literally could not wait to open this package, so that's why she's already ripped open. This is the little card that it comes with. It just says give bag necklaces on it. Now for the actual jewelry. I sent this little necklace that's blue and gold. It's so pretty. Like, I just love this so much. I feel like it'll be so cute to throw on with a bikini. I forgot about a package. Next jewelry company is Kate's Beads. First, she sent over these little hoops. Oops, run away. Just some simple little gold everyday hoops. I'll definitely be wearing these because mine that I wear right now are kind of wearing out. The backs of them keep like falling open. Oh yeah, like it just fell open and I barely even touched it. So these are perfect. Kind of needed these. And then she sent over some of her favorite necklaces from her storefront. I am loving this stack. I feel like this is so adorable. Look at all the different colors in this one. Pearl one, and then lastly this one with like little pendants on it. That is so cute. And lastly, she sent over these little rings. Look at how adorable those are. Like, I'm obsessed with them, and they match with the necklaces, which is so cute. Now for some quick Amazon sets that I got sent. First is this white one. These have the nicest ribbing material. I will say that the skirts are super short, but other than that, these sets are such good quality. This is what the top looks like. I love the scoop neckline. I just feel like it's so flattering, and then also the way it comes down, it makes you look really snatched. I'll show you in a minute. Got it in this pink color with the same top but in pink, and then lastly I got it in this brown. I just love wearing like neutrals in the fall, so this is perfect. Like I said, very short. It barely covers my butt, but I feel like the top is so cute. I feel like just wearing the top is worth it. This is what it looks like up close. You kind of can't wear a bra, it kind of shows, but I have brown on right now, on brown, so you can't really see it. Other than it being super short, it's super flattering. Let me try on the other two colors. This is the pink color. I took off my bra. As you can see, you don't really like need a bra at all because of the way it's lined, but also I roll over the top, so that also makes it a little bit shorter. The white one is a little bit see-through in the top and really in the back though, but yeah, I think they're really cute for the price. I think they were like $20 or $25 on Amazon. Next is Brandy. If you guys watch my shopping vlog in Charleston, this is one of the few things that I bought when I was there. Look at how crusty this penny is. The guy I was shopping with, he kept throwing all of his change in my bag, so that's why the penny was in there. But this is really crusty, like, ew. Anyways, I just got this little basic tee from Brandy. I don't know, I just feel like if I go in Brandy, I have to buy something. There's just something about Brandy. There's something about walking in there. It's like you can't leave without buying something. But anyways, yeah, this is just the softest thing ever. This is what the baby tee looks like on. It's just very simple, but I love the buttons. I feel like that's the cutest little detailing. I feel like that's what sold me on this top, and it's just so soft. Like, I can't describe to you how soft this t-shirt is. And then this is the back. Why did that just zoom in like that? My camera just decides to zoom in randomly, so ignore that. But yeah, for like 10 bucks. Actually, I think this was like $20. Ugh, Brandy. For $20, I think I'll get my use out of it. Going along with the Charleston shopping, we stopped in this little store called the Oops. Casual clothing and unique gifts, unbeatable prices. The prices actually were really cheap in there, like compared to other Charleston boutiques. I just got this little touristy Charleston shirt. It says Charleston on the front, and then this is what the back looks like. Comfort Clothing have the best t-shirts. Like, they're just so comfortable. This is the t-shirt on. Not that you needed to see what the t-shirt looks like, but I just wanted to show you quick. I got it in a size large, so it's definitely very oversized. I don't know, I love it. I feel like it's perfect for sleeping in and throwing on when I don't have anything else to wear. Next is Quiet Storm. You guys know I've been obsessed with Blanco by nature lately, and so I got this little indigo, I guess it's kind of indigo blue purple-ish, I don't really know, skirt, and I got it in a size medium for reference because their stuff runs really small, and I just got the matching top to go along with it. I just love this. I feel like this is so adorable. I will definitely be wearing this in Ocean City. Blanco by nature can take all my money. Only $60 for this set I feel like is such a steal. This color is so perfect, and I just love the fit of it. I feel like it's so flattering. Literally so exciting. Triangle sent me PR, which is unbelievable to me. Starting with my favorite bikini that they sent over is this green one. It has gold sparkles in it. Is that not so perfect? I feel like this is perfect for the winter, but also even for the summer because this color makes your tan pop so much. Like, thank you, Triangle. And then for the bottoms, they just sent over the classic side tie bottoms. I love that every triangle bikini comes with one of these bags. Like, they're actually perfect for the summer. These are the little bottoms. I will say though that I feel like their sizing is a little bit different because these are a size small, and when I wear them there's like a lot of extra material in the butt area. So I don't know if that's just me or a universal thing that they change their sizing, but still so adorable. And then the other one they sent over is in this blue pattern. And they just sent over the same style again. The classic side tie bottoms with the classic triangle top. I wasn't gonna try on the bikini because I feel like it was just a lot for a video, but this is what it looks like. I got a medium in the top and then a small in the bottom. This is what the back looks like. It's just like, there's just a lot of extra space, I feel like, compared to their styles from last year. But yeah, I just love this color and it matches perfectly with my nails. I think this might be tanning oil. Maybe. I don't really know. I'm gonna break it in. I need scissors. I just got their Tropic Like It's Hot tanning lotion. I really just got this one because it was pink and all the other ones were like black, and I was like, why would I get the black one when I can get the pink? Oh, cute. Miami Beach Bum Body Cream. Orange. Restores your skin barrier. Okay. I will have to try this. I'm gonna crack it open actually right now because I want to smell it. Oh my gosh, there's a little ripper thing right there. That was satisfying. I mean, it's not bad. It's just not what I was expecting. Now for the most exciting package of the day. Blanco by Nature sent me clothes, which I am so excited about. I already know what's in here, but I resisted from opening it. So kind of proud of myself for that one. This has been sitting in my room for like 3 days. Oh my gosh, this is really bright green. I thought it was gonna be more of like an emerald green. It's more of a tropical forest green, I feel like. But I mean, I'm still here for it. Look. Whoa. And it has blue stitching. I don't own any bandeau tops like this from them, so I'm really excited to try this on. And then of course I had to get the matching set. I got this little skirt, which is so adorable. The other one that I showed earlier did have ties on it, but this one doesn't have ties on it. Is this not adorable? I love this so much. I'm so glad that I sized up to a medium in the top because I feel like a small would have definitely been too small on me. The skirt definitely is really wrinkled. It needs to be ironed, but look at how they put shorts in the bottom of them. 10 out of 10 design. I feel like you can't go wrong with white, so I got it in white. Super plain, but perfect. It will make my tan pop, which I obviously love. These are the bottoms, the skirt with the ties and the ruffles. This is just adorable. I will probably wear this with a ton of outfits, just like the skirt by itself too, which I didn't even think about. But now I'm actually really excited that I got it in white instead of getting a color. Wait, I'm so smart. As I just probably got makeup on my brand new white skirt for putting my face on it. Nice. I'm really surprised, but somehow I feel like I like the white better. It just makes you look so tan. This is what the back looks like, and again they come in with the built-in shorts, which is just perfect. I almost forgot to mention that it's also not see-through. Like, it's double lined. I don't have a bra on right now. I am obsessed with this brand. Then I ordered something a little bit different. Pants. Aren't these so cute for a beach cover up? They have the cutest little stitching details down the side, which I really love. Oh yeah, these are gonna fit. I changed back into the green top because I feel like it looks better with these pants, but these are what the pants look like. I did get the pants in a size small and they kind of fit perfect. They're more of a mid-rise fit. You can't really wear them low-rise because they look like pretty silly. They go all the way to the floor for me, and the slit, if you like walk, you can see it more. They are slightly see-through, but not bad.